So, what is belly breathing or abdominal breathing? It is actually, as our belly has no lungs, diaphragmatic breathing, which means that you use your main breathing muscle, your diaphragm, to perform breathing. This muscle performs 80% of your breathing anyway, but many people don't use it anymore and they breathe up in the chest, which promotes stress. So why is diaphragmatic breathing so essential for your health? It is because our anatomy is built that way. In the lower compartments of the lungs, there are most of the alveoles. The oxygenation of your blood is happening there, not up in the chest. When your diaphragm moves, your lungs fill with air, all your abdominal organs get squeezed and massaged. Your digestive tract is energized and detoxed. With every breath, we give our abdominal organs care. So when you undermine a natural process, what will happen? Things that need to leave the body will accumulate and it will give you discomfort, problems, symptoms, and diseases over time. So take the first step to natural health and start with the next breath.